Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to scroll down all the way to system. Let's go to reset options and then erase all data factory reset. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. And if there's anything that you would like to keep, for instance like music or photos, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, simply tap on erase all data and then confirm it once more. And this will begin the process. Now, this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So, I'll be back once that is visible. And now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.